Hi, my topic is personal inventory. A personal inventory is an assessment of your skills, values, interests, and experiences. It helps you understand yourself better and can guide career chooses, personal development, and goal settings. Components of a personal inventory. One is skills, what you can do well, communication, and problem solving, and technical skills. Number two, values. What is important to you? Integrity, creativity, teamwork. Number three, interest. What you enjoy doing, hobbies and professional interests. For experiences, significant life experience that have shaped you. Education, job, volunteer work. Examples of personal inventory. Number one, skills. Ano, proficient in Microsoft, Excel, and data analysis. And strong public speaking abilities. Number two, values. Commitment to environmental sustainability. Emphasize on lifelong learning and personal growth. Number three, interest. Passion for graphic design and digital art. Enjoyment of outdoor activities like hiking and camping. For experiences. Inter- Internship at a marketing firm focusing on social media strategies. And another, volunteer work with a local non-profit organization. That is the example of four components of personal inventory. And that's all. Thank you.